How to unblock friends on a Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to unblock friends on a Snapchat account. Without further ado, let's begin. Navigate to Snapchat app and tap to launch it. And make sure that you sign in or log in to your account. Proceed by tapping on the chat's icon at the bottom left corner. And for demo, let me block a particular user. Long press on the user and now select Manage Friendship. Tap Block. Now tap Block button and then you need to navigate to the profile icon at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon at top right to access setting. Scroll down and you need to see the blocked users option. Select that and here you will see all the list of the blocked users. In order to unblock friends on Snapchat, tap the cross mark next to it and tap on Yes button. And with that, you have successfully unblocked friends on a Snapchat account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.